everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो video है it's a Ganpati get ready with me. So basically it's been quite some time since I've been in Bombay, मुंबई एंड यहाँ पे ना गणेश चतुर्थी की अलग ही एकदम चहल पहल सब कुछ होता है. सो आई थॉट क्योंकि मुझे काफ़ी फ्रेंड्स के यहाँ आई हैव अ कज़न ऑल्सो जिसने गणपति रखा है, उन सब के यहाँ जाना है जिसने गणपति रखा है. सो आई थॉट लेट्स डू अ गेट रेडी विथ मी जहाँ पे मैं अपना मेकअप कर रही हूँ, आपको दिखाऊंगी कि हाउ आई यूजुअली गो आउट ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिवल टाइम. एंड या दैट्स प्रीटी मच व्हाट द वीडियो इज अबाउट टुडे. बिफोर आई गेट इनटू द वीडियो लेट मी टेल यू कि सारे प्रोडक्ट्स जो मैं आज आपको वीडियो में दिखाने वाली हूँ ये सब अमेजोन से हैं एंड सब कुछ काफ़ी डिस्काउंटेड आइटम्स पे भी है बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग अ क्रेजी सेल विच यू कैन गेट अप टू 50 to 80% ऑफ ऑन सम ऑफ योर फेवरेट फैशन एंड ब्यूटी ब्रांड्स. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक इट आउट. मैं वो सब डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी. एट द सेम टाइम मैं कमेंट्स में भी लिंक सारे पिन कर दूंगी जो भी मैं प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाऊंगी उसके. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट इनटू इट. Okay, so I've already prepped my skin, and when I say prep my skin, I basically mean I've applied like moisturizer and sunscreen. So सबसे पहले तो क्लिप्स लगा लेते हैं जिससे बाल जो है वो मुंह पे ना आए मेकअप करते हुए. वैसे तो मेरे बाल थोड़े ऑयली हो रखे हैं, वैसे नहीं आते, but then still. And talking about the products that I'll be using today, so काफ़ी products ऐसे हैं जो like new makeup edition है मेरी vanity में. मैंने इससे पहले वो products नहीं use करे हैं, so they are very new to me also. And let's get started. The first product that I have today is this Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. It's up to 30 hours Lumi Matte Foundation. This is how the foundation looks like. Now I have seen so many influencers, so many content creators, everyone raving about this foundation. It's a new launch, like ये 2-3 महीने पहले ही launch हुआ है and I haven't tried a lot of new products. So मैं foundation day to day basis makeup पे नहीं use करती हूँ. I only use foundation when I have to actually like shoot for a longer time or it's an event या फिर कुछ function है, and Ganpati is a function, so of course I'm using it. So I wanted to try this new variation. I love the packaging and I love the branding also. It's like very luxe kind of feel but in an affordable range. Like drugstore products में I feel Maybelline does wonderful foundations. So I'm gonna use this सबसे पहले. Let's apply it. I'm gonna take just 2 drops. Okay, the foundation feels like very lightweight. I'm just dabbing it with my fingers itself. Okay, this is how the base looks with just foundation and honestly I'm loving this. It feels very natural, body lightweight tha, and at the same time this like matches my skin tone perfectly, so that's something I really like about this. I'm in the shade 128 for this, so if you have my skin tone you can probably go for the same shade. And now that the foundation is done, I'm not over layering it although it's quite buildable, but I want my makeup to be very natural finish even for festivals. So now I'll be adding some concealer. For concealer I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer that has been my go-to concealer from very long time now. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my under eyes, a little bit where I need it, जो थोड़े darker parts हैं of my face, and that's it. We will just dab it all. Now you can use of course a beauty blender or a brush. I use my trusted fingers, so I do my entire makeup with fingers except blush. So let's blend it. Okay guys, the concealer is also done and this looks very nice. Like मेरे जो dark circles थे वो भी cover up हो गए हैं अच्छे से and I really like how it looks. Now I'm gonna set the entire base with compact. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. By the way, for the concealer shade is 20 Warm Nude, just in case you are the same skin tone. Okay, now that the concealer is done, I'm gonna set this entire base with a compact so that I don't sweat, and if I do the makeup remains, at least the base remains intact. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me 120 Classic Ivory Compact Powder. The shade is Classic Ivory 120 and मैंने जो concealer का shade use करा था it was 20 Sand. So let's just scissor powder puff and just dabbing a little bit under my eyes. Okay, my base is set and I have to say that base काफी flawless लग रहा है but बहुत natural लग रहा है. It's not looking cakey at all and I really like how my base has turned out. Now the next step is eyes, which I feel is the most important step when it comes to like festive makeup. So for eyes, I'm gonna use this new eyeshadow palette सबसे पहले, which is this Revolution Makeup Revolution का eyeshadow palette. Now this is a Friends palette. Now if you have seen the show Friends, the palette is from that. Now this is how the palette looks like. So it says Rachel and Rachel is one of my favorite characters. वैसे तो Monica है, they had the Monica palette also, but I like the colors in the Rachel palette more. So this is how the palette looks like. Now if you open this, it has like very pretty shades. It's new, so I have to just remove the plastic. So it has these very pretty shades, and even the shade's name is as per, you know, the scenes from Friends or the things that are related with Rachel. Just for instance, there is shopping, there is on a break, there is dinosaur, there is 90s, there is Barney, stack, chip, pushover, crush. So I think this is so cute. And यहाँ पे छोटा सा mirror भी है that I like as well. So I really like it is how it is. Matlab, I don't need anything else to, you know, set it up. I can just use this palette and there is a mirror. So I love this. Now I'm gonna use the shade Barney's, which is this very beautiful brownish color, chocolate brownish color, light chocolate brownish, and then I'm gonna top it with Chip, जो थोड़ा सा shimmer shade में है. So let's start applying it. Now I'm using my fingers again. You can go ahead with the brush जिससे आप set up कर सको. So let's get started. So this is my first time using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I have to say that I'm very impressed because the eyeshadows blend like very easily. Although I'm blending it with my fingers, still it's just so smooth and so easy to blend, so I really like it. Now the base is set with this chocolate brownish color, shimmer shade and like golden because festive season. I love it. I love the eyeshadow. It looks so pretty. Love it. Now the next thing we are gonna do is add some mascara and kajal. So for kajal, I'm using this Color Bar kajal. Now this is a 2-in-1 kajal. Basically they have this blender also, so you can create like a smoky eye effect, but I'm not going for like a smoky eye. I'll just use this regular side of kajal. So using this mirror of my compact and just applying it. मैंने पतला सा ही काजल लगाया है क्योंकि मैं मस्कारा भी लगा रही हूँ, एंड सिंस आई हैव लाइक बिग आईज तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा काजल लगाती हूँ तो एकदम बहुत बड़ी लगने लगते हैं. सो आई डोंट पुट अ लॉट नाउ. आई यूज्ड टू बट आई डोंट एनी मोर. आई एम यूजिंग दिस मस्कारा बाय L'Oreal. दिस इज अ लैश पैराडाइज मस्कारा. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट ओवर फॉर मी. सो द थिंग आई डू व्हेन आई अप्लाई मस्कारा इज जस्ट आई बज ऑफ द एक्स्ट्रा मस्कारा का, यू नो, व्हाटएवर is there in the tube only, जिससे mascara मेरा smudge ना हो. Now we'll come to my favorite part, that is blush. So I ordered 2 new blushes from Amazon. सबसे पहले तो which is this Makeup Revolution Mousse blush. Now this is like a cream blush kind of thing and you have to just dab it. So it's more like a tint variation of a blush and I really like something like this. So एक तो ये मैंने order करा. And the next one, आजकल ना मुझे Makeup Revolution के products बहुत अच्छे लगता है तो मैंने एक makeup blush set order करा है. It has this very beautiful 8 blush powder sets and I wanted like a lot of variation blushes since I put too much blush. So मुझे बहुत ही प्यारा सा palette लगा. Like it's so pretty. I literally feel like कि मैं हर blush लगा लूँ इसमें से. So I think for today I'm gonna skip the mousse blush because ये मैं everyday के लिए ज़्यादा prefer करूँगी. But क्योंकि आज हम festive के लिए ready हो रहे हैं, so I think I'm gonna go with these kind of blushes. I'm very tempted to try this out, which has this detailing. ऐसा थोड़ा बहुत print दिया हुआ है इसके ऊपर. So let's apply it. I think I'm gonna mix 2-3 more shades. So I'm gonna apply this shade also, which can also be used as a bronzer, I feel. So I love how my entire blush looks. Like in person, it's looking a lot more prettier. It's actually quite dark and in person ज़्यादा समझ में आ रहा है. But even on camera, it looks so good. I'm very impressed with the blushes. I think अगर आपके पास एक ये पैलेट है तो आपको किसी और ब्लश की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इसमें इतने प्यारे प्यारे शेड्स हैं. I literally mixed like these three shades. एक ये जो अभी मैंने लास्ट में लगाया है ये, and there is a little bit of shimmer in like 2-3 shades. जैसे इसमें shimmer है, इसमें shimmer है, तो वो shimmer ना हल्का सा highlighted feel भी दे रहा है जो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So I'm very impressed with this palette. Now after this, I think we come to the last step of this makeup routine, which is lipstick. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline Vinyl Ink lipstick in this very pretty pink shade. So I'm gonna just blend it and apply it. I'm gonna finish the makeup with topping this lipstick with this Maybelline Lifter Gloss, which is in the shade Petal. That's one of my favorite glosses of all time. So let's just apply it. Look at this, so creamy. Let me add a bindi and show you the final look. Do let me know in the comments below what you think about this look. Honestly, I'm obsessed. It looks so pretty and perfect for like festive season. मेरा अगर मैं favorite product बोलूँ तो I think I'm obsessed with this blush palette. Like इतने प्यारे प्यारे blushes एक साथ, and this is quite affordable also. I think I got it for like rupees 330. So steal deal. Now if you want to check all the product links, सब कुछ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, सब कुछ Amazon से है एंड सेल पे भी है, तो चेक कर लेना. सब कुछ कमेंट्स में भी पिन कर दूंगी. एंड दैट्स pretty much it for my today's video. Wishing you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi, and I hope you guys have a great Ganpati if you're celebrating. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also the bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. Until next video, bye guys, take care.